Welcome to the first of several videos that we have made for you to help use your laptop computer to your fullest. Remember, the computer should be something that is easy for you to use. So if you're having trouble, make sure you stop in the tech office. This video is made for you to watch the first time to introduce you to it, but it's also a great resource if you're having trouble remembering how something is working. Come back to this video. It will always be on Canvas to help you out. The first thing that we're going to go over is how to make your screen work for you, how to find things that you want to. First of all, on the bottom is your dock. It comes loaded with many applications that you do not use. If there's an application you don't want to use, you simply click on it, drag it up till you see the smoke, and let go. So you're going to get rid of quite a few. We don't use the mail program, the messages, contacts. We would prefer you use the Google Calendar, iTunes, those you might use. Photo Booth is not, because again, your camera has been disabled. iPhoto is no longer usable, so get rid of that. iMovie, GarageBand, QuickTime, Time Machine, those are all ones that you might use. System preferences is up to you. That could stay or go. Maps, same thing. Some important folders to always have on your dock is the application folder, the documents folder, and the downloads. So we've removed some of the applications. Now let's work on getting some back that we want to use. So I know that a lot of your teachers are going to want you to use Google Chrome. So in order to use that, you're going to click and drag on it and move it here. I like to put it right by my Safari so I have both of my internet browsers beside each other. Another one that we're going to use is Microsoft Office, and I see that that is not loaded on here, which is fine. I'm going to show you how to get that in a couple videos later. But you do want self-service on it. So you're going to click on self-service and put that somewhere also. And you're just going to make room. Sometimes you got to wiggle it around to make room and let go. So when you find the applications that you want to use, another one that doesn't make sense probably right now is PC Client. You might want that on your dock. So again, you're going to click and hold and just move it somewhere on your dock. We use PC Client when we print. And again, I'm not going to go over that in this video, but I will go over it in others. So that's how you get your dock the way you want it to. You can make it smaller, which is what I prefer, or you can go up under the Apple, go to dock, and you can hide it. That's not the way I like it, but a lot of people do. To shake it off, you're going to go under the Apple, go to dock, turn hiding off. Okay, so there are applications that you want. The next thing you're going to want to do is make folders. Now, if you noticed when I clicked on that, right now I'm in QuickTime Player, which is what I'm using to record. But when I click on my screen, I go to Finder. The Finder screen is like your desktop. That's where you're going to find your things. So to make a folder, I'm going to go under File, and I'm going to say New Folder. And I probably need one for ELA, so I'm going to label that one ELA. I'm going to go under File again, make a new folder. This one is probably for a science class. So you would either call it science or exactly what science you are using. Same thing, you're going to go under File, New Folder, and then whatever math class you're taking. So now you have folders to save all of your classwork in. Just makes it easier for you to find things, and on and on. Have a folder, just for things that you like also. So those are there. Finding things. You can find things on your computer in several different ways. I can click on my Finder window that's on my dock. If I double click on it, these are all the places that I can look. Okay? Maybe I need an application. There's my applications. Maybe I need to find something that I have on my desktop. There are my 3 folders that you can look in your desktop. You can look on it as icon. You can look at it as a list. My favorite is the column, because then when I click on this, everything I have in that folder is going to show up right here. And you're going to see that here in the next video also. So that's one way to find it. Another way to find it is with your Spotlight. Let's say I am looking for an application. I want to find iMovie because it's not on my dock. So right here, I'm going to click on that. If I want to use it, I'm just going to click on it that way. Anything, so if you can't remember where you put a document, but you can remember the name of it, start typing it in the Spotlight and it's going to show up for you. So those are two ways to find things on your laptop, either using the Finder window or using the Spotlight. Either way works when you can't find something. The next thing that I'm going to have you do, because for some of you this is going to be an assignment and you're going to have to do this, is how do I take a picture of anything on my screen? On your keyboard, you hold down the Shift key, the Command key, and the number 4. And that brings up these hashtags just like this. So if you are taking this for an assignment, what you need to do is take a picture of the folders you made and let go. And now right here, that's on my desktop. You're going to go into Canvas and send this to me as an assignment. All right, I hope this first video was informative. The next one, we're going to go over some of the nitty-gritty details on how to get around things.